Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. So today we are from group 1. So I'm Muhammad Ishraf Imran bin Mustafa and my other group mates are Muhammad Haziq, Muhammad Amirul Shafiq, Alif Najwan, Nabil Shami and Syed Muhammad Harisha. So today we are from group 1. We are going to present our micro P group project assignment. So for my part, I am responsible for the block diagram part, in which the block diagram as shown as in the report. The sensor 1 will detect the entry for the car into the car park, and the sensor 2 will detect the exit of a car from the car park, and both the signal work as inputs of the system in form of 1-bit data size. And the LED is also 1-bit data size as an output and will light up until all the car parks slots are no longer vacant. And the 7-segment display of the output is in form of size of 8-bit, and it will indicate the number of parking that have in the system until it is full, and it will appear FULL when the vacancy is no longer vacant. And the microprocessor that we will use in this project is Nucleo L432KC.
Okay, now I will explain about the schematic diagram for the Carpark system designed using an ARM Cortex-M4 microcontroller STM32L432KC. K. The 7-segment display configured as a common node is connected to with physical pin mapping on the Nucleo board as follows: PA1 A1, B PA10 D0, C PA2 A7, D PA3 A2, E PA5 A4, F PA6 A5, G PA7 A6, and DP PB7 D7. The display shows the number of available spaces 0 to 9 and set to full. K. Input sensors push button for vehicle entry and exit are connected to GPIO port B, PB0 and PB1 respectively. K. The entry sensor PB0 D3 increment the counter while the exit sensor PB1 D6 decrement it. A green LED connected to PA8, and then a power for the system is supplied 5 volt.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Amirul Shafiq. So today I will proceed with the hardware setup. So as I mentioned by the Haziq Herman, at the circuit schematic diagram. So my part will be covered about the hardware setup. So this is the hardware setup, and at this side you can see is the pin for each 7 segment, and also below here for the push button increment and decrement. And over here, as Dr. can see, we also have green LED. And before I forgot, for each pin for 7 segment and for the LED, we have a resistor to 220 ohm to protect our components from being overcharged. So that's all for me, and alhamdulillah we managed to get this simulation works.
Alright, my name is Alif. I will present the flowchart. And then, so this is our flowchart. So the first thing is we initialize counts with starting with 0. And then the hardware will check the number of vehicles means, and then they will count number 1 until 9. If the parking the limit F going to 9, and then the LED will display 7 segment will display full. And then if below the 9 means parking available, LED will on and display the numbers of availability. And then we have the vehicle entering and the vehicle exit. So if the vehicle enter, the count will +1, and then if they have vehicle exit, the count will -1. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi guys, today we will explain about the C language programming codes that we use in our program. First of all, at here we include the file that we want to use, and then we define all the pin that we used to. In this case, we use pin A and pin B only. And then at here, this is the lookup table that we use, and then this is the sensor in that connected to pin output B, pin input B. It has the debound setting for as 50 millisecond to ensure a reliable input. and then for the sensor out, for the car exits, and then we configure the pin also for pin A and pin B, whether it's pull down or pull up, whether the input or output use. This is the part where we wanted to show the value on the 7-segment display. When the value is more than 10, normal case is 0 until 9, it will show the sequence of FULL in sequence, FULL, with the 500 millisecond of delay, and then it will end the program. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'm Syed Muhammad Harisha, will be presenting about the hardware verification. So for this project, we have two input, which is push button for enters and another push button for exit the car parking. For the output, also have two type, which is green LED as the indicator for parking availability and common anode 7 segment that will be display parking usage. When the parking is full, the LED will be turned off and the 7 segment will display FULL. At the beginning, the 7 segment will display number 0 as there is no car enter the parking. But as the car enters, the enter push button will be pressed and the 7 segment will update. When there is more than 9 car enters the parking, the 7 segment will display FULL. As the car exit the car parking, the exit push button will be pressed and the 7 segment will be updated. Hence, that's all for our group. Thank you for watching.